Hi guys, welcome to Foodfantasyworld. Today we are making sauteed cabbage recipe for weight loss. Oil 2 tablespoon, mustard seeds half tablespoon, dal 1 tablespoon, green chilies 1 chopped, curry leaves handful of curry leaves, onion, roughly chopped onion, chopped onion half cup. I am using purple cabbage, you can use normal white cabbage. Cabbage 250 grams, roughly chopped. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add cabbage, salt as per taste. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Close the lid. Occasionally mix. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.